Baked stuffed fish and shrimp with buffalo sweet heat, by itself or as Valentine's surf and turf. Leeks have a delicate onion flavor. They're also known for being quite sandy, as you can see. Don't rinse the sand down into the leek, rinse it out of the leeks. Till they're perfectly clean. No one wants the added crunch of little rocks. Just clean leek flavor. We don't want big hard chunks of carrot, but we do want the sweetness. Red bell pepper will accentuate the sweetness of the carrot. Finely diced. Same with the celery and shallot. We need everybody the same size. Butter is my fat of choice with seafood. We want to gently sweat the shallots and celery. Salt and a bay leaf. We're not looking for big color. We just want to sweat those veggies. Make a hole for some garlic. Touch of olive oil. I can't help myself. That only takes about 30 seconds. Now you can add the bell pepper and carrot. Pre-cooking the veggies takes the edge off for this delicate seafood stuffing. White wine, let that booze cook off. I make my own shrimp stock from shells. If you don't want to, you can get seafood stock, right? Reducing that liquid in veggies will concentrate the flavor. While we're here, start melting some butter. Reduced until nearly all that liquid is gone. A frozen plate will help that mixture cool down quickly. Those beauties are 1620s. Peeling and deveining yourself ensures you're getting quality shrimp. When you cook them, they're going to curl. Making a couple relief cuts on the belly will help them lay flat later. If you'd like more shrimp, crab, lobster, or in this case, bay scallops to boost seafood flavor, a food processor will help us break them down. Couple 2-3 pulses. Add those tasty veggies. Paprika or Old Bay if you must. Breadcrumbs and the richness of Ritz crackers. And remember, these have salt, so just add a little bit. We don't need to break it down anymore. We just need to mix it. Look at the texture of that. A layer of butter and salt. Cod is fresh where we live. I prefer any delicate white fish for this. If your pieces are too thin, just stack them. Don't grab that stuffing and pack it in. Let it fall nice. It'll be too dense if you pack it in. Stacked, but never packed. At this point, you could keep them in the fridge or bake them right away. This butter-based seafood glaze needs maple for sweet and the OG hot sauce for heat. Sweet, hot, buttery glaze. Halfway through the process, but before that fish is cooked, it needs one more thing. That layer of shrimp on top. If you add it too soon, it'll overcook. A layer of that glaze. The idea is to try and get the fish and the shrimp cooked at the same time. My recommendation is you glaze it a couple, 2-3 times. It already f***ing smells good in here. There she is.
It's a beautiful dish. I'm so excited.
All that needs is a lemon. Add a bacon wrap filet. Now it's perfect. Perfect for Valentine's Day.
The turf is a nice addition to the surf, but you definitely don't need it.
It's not steak and lobster, but it's still fucking bougie.
Ooh, and those spicy shrimp that are butterflied so beautifully. They look like little lobsters.
It's buffalo shrimp.
Like all that flavor packed into that stuffing with that cod, it eats like fucking lobster. That's a fucking treat.
And it's perfectly cooked.
Holy shit, I'm seriously mind blown on this one.
Sometimes you gotta make something that's gonna drop the panties. What can I say?